Hey, it's Bergeron Eunice on call. How y'all doing today? Man, me and Missy is whipping up a nice pizza. We was gonna do a breakfast pizza, but we decided to do just a regular one, but more veggie toppings. Oh yeah, you know the veggies are good for you. We got bacon. I don't know, a half a pound of bacon. Like, she's putting on the pepperoni right now.
Breakfast sausage.
Man, breakfast sausage. Yeah, the Jimmy Dean sausage, too. Oh, yeah.
Ham.
Ham. Yep, chopped ham. Onions.
Bell
peppers. And the camera's getting out of focus while she's putting that on there. And
tomatoes.
Yeah, I sliced aroma tomato. Man, this is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. It's loaded. I made my own homemade pizza crust, and she's got the tomato sauce, the pizza sauce on there, the bell peppers, the onions. Oh yeah, there it is. And there's a double pepperoni right there. You can see that. Chef, bon Dieu. And then some more cheese on top of that. A double helping of cheese. We're going to stuck that in the oven for about, I don't know, 15 minutes at 4 1/4. Oh, I wish I had a pizza oven like at 700, 800 degrees. Chef, pizza. Alright, well, we'll holler at y'all. Pluto. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, she wants to do the cheese now. Yeah, there we go. Some mozzarella. Yeah, mozzarella. Call that mozzarella. Oh, yeah. Well, if the Cajuns would have some, their own brand of cheese, I don't know what we call it. We call it some gumbo-rella. Yeah. Gumbo-rella cheese. And then now she's gonna put some yellow cheese on top of that. That cheddar cheese. Yeah, that'll work. Ça c'est donc travailler, ouais. Ouais. Some of that cheddar mixed. Cheese.
Yeah, it's mixed. I'm short of mozzarella.
Yeah, we short on the mozzarella cheese, so. Oh well.
It's gonna be good.
It all gonna go down and be very good. And we're getting ready for the Mardi Gras. Yeah, we got 5 days starting tomorrow. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5 days of party over here in Eunice, Louisiana.
We're gonna do some videos.
We'll catch y'all Pluto with some more Mardi Gras videos. Pluto.